Joy stands in the kitchen, stirring her coffee while mentally replaying a conversation from the previous evening. Nothing dramatic happened, just a slightly awkward comment she wishes she had phrased differently. Still, the scene loops again and again, each replay sharpening the sense that something small went wrong. A few minutes pass before she notices she has not even taken a sip. The discomfort is mild, yet persistent, quietly dimming the ease of an otherwise ordinary morning. Dan Harris's 10% Happier explores how much of everyday stress is generated not by major events, but by the constant background chatter of the mind. After experiencing a panic attack on live television, he began searching for practical ways to understand these patterns. He presents meditation as a secular method for training attention. The goal is modest, not perfect calm or permanent bliss, but a measurable reduction in unnecessary mental reactivity. Later that afternoon, Joy meets a friend at a small lakeside cafe. While her friend describes weekend plans with enthusiasm, Joy listens, yet fragments of the conversation from the club still replay in the background. Harris explains that the brain tends to treat unresolved social moments as unfinished tasks, returning to them automatically even when nothing useful remains to solve. While waiting for their drinks, the memory surfaces again. This time, Joy notices it and shifts her attention briefly to the sensation of breathing, feeling the air move in and out before returning to the conversation. Distraction is not a failure. The repetition of returning is the practice. Mindfulness can be just as practical in active, everyday moments. As her friend continues speaking, Joy notices a familiar impulse rising, the urge to respond quickly, to adjust a detail, to fill the silence. She lets it pass and keeps listening. This is mindfulness, noticing early impulses before they automatically turn into reactions or unnecessary remarks. Even a small pause can subtly change how conversations unfold. In the evening, Joy cooks dinner while thoughts about her to-do list for Monday begin to crowd in. Her mind starts running through tomorrow's tasks. She notices the shift and gently returns her focus to what she is doing. With continued practice, these small moments of attention begin to accumulate. Dan Harris began searching for practical ways to understand his own stress reactions. Happiness, in his framing, does not arrive as a breakthrough feeling. It appears as slightly less friction in everyday moments, eventually turning to meditation as a form of attention training that gradually reduced how strongly thoughts and emotions shaped his behavior. Sometimes only enough to register as being, in a quiet and practical way, about 10% happier.